If you've ever needed to go back to an older design in Figma, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to access file and version history in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you want to review past changes, restore an older layout, or compare different versions of your work without starting over. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Figma and go to your dashboard. From here, locate the file you want to check. You can browse through your recent files, drafts, or team projects until you find the exact design file you need. Once you've found it, don't open it yet. Instead, right-click on the file in the dashboard. After you right-click, a menu will appear. In that menu, click Show with Version History. This will open up the version history panel for that file, where Figma stores previous saved versions and major changes over time. You'll be able to see a timeline of different versions, which makes it much easier to track edits and recover older work. Now take a moment to review the available versions. You can click through them to preview what the design looked like at different points in time. This is helpful if you're trying to find a specific version before a change was made, or if someone on your team updated the file and you want to compare it to an earlier draft. If you find the version you want to go back to, look for the Restore option next to that version. Click Restore and Figma will revert the file back to that selected version. Just remember, restoring a version brings that design state back into the file, so always double check before you confirm anything. And that's it. You now know how to access Figma file version history and restore a previous version whenever you need to. This is one of those small workflow skills that can save you a lot of time and stress, especially when working on collaborative design projects. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.